Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about how can we copy and moving data in a worksheet. Okay, so it is very easy to use. What we have to do, if I want to copy these numbers, we have to select these numbers, just select it, and now you have to choose copy option. This is your copy and paste option. Copy and paste. Okay, so just select the text and choose and click on copy and choose the area where you want to paste that and click on paste. So with the help of copy and paste option you can copy the data. Okay, actually it is a very important part of a MS Excel. Copy and paste, it is very basic but it is very important. Okay, we can also do copy and paste with the help of shortcut keys. Keyboard shortcut key, this is our keyboard. Okay, if I want to copy this text, just select the text, just select the text, just select the text, and the shortcut key for copy is Control plus C. Control con, Control plus C. For you have to press the button Control and C at the same time. Okay, and to paste the text, the shortcut key is Control plus V. First you have to press Control and then V. Okay, so this is the shortcut key to copy and paste the data. Okay, next is cut. How can you move the data? To move the data, first you have to choose the data, select the data, select the data, and just press Ctrl X to cut the data. Ctrl plus X. The shortcut key for cut is Ctrl X, and paste it anywhere. Control with the help of shortcut key Control V. So with the help of cut command, the selected data is cut from the original place. Okay, you can also perform cut with the help of cut option, which is present in the home tab just above the copy option here. Okay, next is autofill. What is autofill actually? Autofill is it is an option in MS Excel which allows the filling of cells with the data automatically. Listen carefully. The autofill option in MS Excel allows a filling of cells with data automatically. Okay, this is done for numbers or even weekdays like Sundays in a cell accordingly. Okay, I'm just writing number 1. Okay, just see how to perform autofill in MS Excel. Type any number. Okay, 1. Position the pointer. This is your pointer of your mouse. Position the pointer at the lower right corner of the cell. This is our cell. Just position the pointer at the lower right of the cell. Okay, the mouse pointer changes to plus sign. Now drag it towards the downward and release the button to the end. Just click on it and choose fill series option. Okay, so the autofill option allows the filling of cells with data automatically. Okay, let's take in another example of autofill. Just write Sunday. I'm writing Sunday here, and Position the pointer at the lower right corner and drag it downward and release it. ठीक है. So autofill option will fill the cell with data automatically. I am writing January here. January. Place the pointer and drag it. Yes. That's it. Thank you.